Welcome, SUV enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of reliability and long-term durability as we unveil the 10 most reliable SUVs in 2024. Buckle up as we explore the vehicles that have stood the test of time and proved themselves as dependable companions on the road. Let's jump right in. Let's jump. 1. Toyota Land Cruiser, the indestructible Titan. Kicking off our list is the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser. Known for its indestructible reputation, this SUV has been a stalwart in the off-road realm for decades. With its robust build, advanced safety features, and a history of reliability, the Land Cruiser remains a top choice for those seeking durability on and off the beaten path. Good features. Let's start with the good, and trust me, there's a lot to talk about. The Toyota Land Cruiser is a juggernaut when it comes to durability. Its robust build is like a suit of armor on wheels. Advanced safety features ensure not just a comfortable ride, but a secure one too. And off-road enthusiasts, rejoice. The Land Cruiser's off-road capabilities are second to none. It's a beast that tames any terrain it encounters. Bad features. Now, onto the nitty-gritty. Some critics point out that the Land Cruiser might not be the most fuel-efficient option on the block. Given its powerful engine and rugged design, it's a trade-off for the sheer strength it brings to the table. So, if you're looking for a fuel-efficient daily commuter, you might want to keep this in mind. Customer reviews. What do the proud owners have to say? Well, the reviews speak volumes. Many sing praises about the Land Cruiser's reliability, with some sharing stories of clocking hundreds of thousands of miles without breaking a sweat. Owners often commend its comfort, advanced features, and the peace of mind that comes with owning a vehicle that's proven its mettle over time. Market reports. Now, let's peek into the market reports. The Toyota Land Cruiser has consistently held its value over time. Resale value? Check. Market analysts point out that the Land Cruiser's enduring popularity is not just a trend, but a testament to its reliability and long-term appeal. It's an investment that stands the test of time. 2. Subaru Outback, the all-weather warrior. Next up, we have the Subaru Outback, the all-weather warrior. If you're looking for an SUV that can handle whatever Mother Nature throws its way, the Outback is your go-to. With its symmetrical all-wheel drive, impressive ground clearance, and a reputation for longevity, this versatile vehicle is a true companion for any adventure, rain, or shine. Good features. Let's kick things off with the good vibes. The Subaru Outback is a Swiss Army knife on four wheels. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive system is a game-changer, providing outstanding traction on any surface. The spacious interior makes it a family-friendly choice, perfect for road trips or everyday errands. And, off-road enthusiasts, brace yourselves. The Outback is not just an SUV, it's an off-road beast, ready to conquer any trail in its path. Bad features. Now, let's talk about the flip side. Some critics mention that the Outback's base engine might feel a bit underpowered for those seeking a speedier performance. However, fear not. Subaru offers more powerful engine options for those who crave a bit more oomph in their ride. It's all about finding the perfect fit for your adventure style. Customer reviews. What do the proud Outback owners have to say? Well, the reviews are overwhelmingly positive. Many rave about its reliability, safety features, and its ability to handle various weather conditions. Owners often praise its spacious and comfortable interior, making it an ideal choice for both daily commutes and family escapades. Market reports. Now, let's take a peek into the market reports. The Subaru Outback consistently shines when it comes to resale value. Market analysts point out that its enduring popularity is a testament to its reliability and versatility. It's not just an SUV. It's a wise investment for those seeking a vehicle that stands the test of time. 3. Honda CR-V, the dependable family companion. For those in search of a reliable family companion, look no further than the Honda CR-V. Combining practicality, comfort, and a track record of reliability, the CR-V has earned its spot as a top choice in the SUV market. It's a dependable partner for family road trips and daily commuting alike. Good features. Let's kick things off with the good stuff. The Honda CR-V is like the MVP of family SUVs. Its spacious interior is like a living room on wheels, perfect for those long road trips or daily commutes. It's not just about space. The CR-V boasts impressive fuel efficiency, saving you some extra bucks at the gas station. And let's not forget its safety features, a reassuring touch for families on the move. Bad features. Now, onto the flip side. Some critics note that the CR-V's multimedia system might be a bit dated compared to some competitors. While it still gets the job done, tech enthusiasts might find themselves yearning for a more modern infotainment experience. It's all about personal preference and priorities. Customer reviews. What's the word on the street from CR-V owners? Well, the reviews are pouring in, and they're overwhelmingly positive. Owners rave about the CR-V's reliability, practicality, and its smooth ride. Families love the spacious interior, and commuters appreciate the fuel efficiency. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Market reports. Let's crunch some numbers. Market reports show that the Honda CR-V consistently holds its value, a nod to its enduring popularity and reliability. Resale value is a key indicator of a vehicle's long-term appeal, and the CR-V continues to shine in this department. It's not just a car, it's a smart investment. 4. Lexus GX, luxury meets endurance. Moving into the luxury segment, we have the Lexus GX. This SUV not only exudes sophistication and style, but also boasts a rugged side with off-road capabilities. With its durable construction and high-end features, the Lexus GX is a perfect blend of luxury and endurance, making it a standout in the reliability game. Good features. Let's kick things off with the good, and trust me, there's a lot to admire. The Lexus GX is the epitome of luxury with its plush, spacious interior. It's a haven on wheels. Loaded with advanced features, the GX offers a seamless blend of style and technology. And when it comes to off-road adventures, the GX is not just a luxury vehicle. It's a rugged companion that can tackle challenging terrains with ease. Bad features. Now, let's talk about the flip side. Some critics point out that the GX's infotainment system might feel a bit dated compared to some competitors. While it may not be as flashy, it still gets the job done. If cutting-edge tech is a priority for you, it's something to consider. However, when you're wrapped in luxury and reliability, it might not be a deal-breaker for many. Customer reviews. What's the real talk from GX owners? Well, the reviews are pouring in, and they're dripping with positivity. Owners often praise the GX for its reliability, opulent interior, and the peace of mind that comes with driving a Lexus. Families, luxury enthusiasts, and adventure seekers alike find something to love about the GX. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Market reports. Now, let's dive into the numbers. Market reports suggest that the Lexus GX consistently holds its value over time. This is more than just a luxury SUV, it's a smart investment. Resale value is a key indicator of a vehicle's enduring appeal, and the GX continues to shine in this department. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of value and reliability. 5. Ford Bronco. The off-road icon returns. Making a triumphant return to the off-road scene, the Ford Bronco has quickly become an icon for adventure seekers. With its off-road prowess, modern technology, and a heritage rooted in durability, the Bronco stands tall as a reliable choice for those who crave excitement both on and off the road. Good features. Let's kick things off with the good, and trust me, there's a lot to love. The Ford Bronco is not just an SUV, it's an off-road icon reborn. With its rugged design, advanced off-road capabilities, and a nod to the classics, the Bronco is a breath of fresh air for adventure seekers. Modern technology meets old-school cool, making it a unique and capable choice for those who crave off-road freedom. Bad features. Now let's talk about the flip side. Some critics point out that the Bronco's ride might be a bit firm, especially when compared to more traditional SUVs. It's a trade-off for the off-road prowess and the robust build. If you're looking for a plush ride for daily commuting, it's something to consider. However, for the thrill seekers, it's a small price to pay for the adventure that awaits. Customer reviews. What's the real talk from Bronco owners? Well, the reviews are in, and they're as wild as the trails the Bronco conquers. Owners often rave about its off-road capabilities, the attention to detail and design, and the sheer joy it brings to the driving experience. It's not just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle upgrade for those who want to break free from the ordinary. Market reports. Now, let's dive into the numbers. Market reports suggest that the Ford Bronco has made quite the splash in the market. Its bold return has stirred excitement, and the demand is strong. Resale value is holding steady, indicating that the Bronco is not just a trend, it's a lasting force in the off-road SUV category. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of enduring appeal. Conclusion. And there you have it, the 10 most reliable SUVs in 2024, each with its own unique blend of style, capability, and enduring reliability. Whether you're conquering off-road trails, navigating city streets, or embarking on family adventures, these SUVs have proven their mettle in the quest for long-term durability. Which one suits your style? Let the road and reliability guide your choice. Until next time, happy driving.